to my channel, Coin Lady, and a warm welcome back. Some cryptocurrency analysts are predicting that XRP's price might skyrocket in the near future. Could we witness a tremendous, gigantic pop for XRP? In 4 days, I will distinguish fact from fiction in this video and tell you the truth about the issue. Under a week? Well, that's a whole new ballgame. I'd like to tell you everything about the ways XRP has created millionaires before, and how I think it can do it again. However, I intend for this to remain an instructional resource regarding the actual happenings of this digital revolution, while also engaging in some speculation with you guys, as there are some incredibly intriguing things taking place. That makes me think XRP is about to experience a major shift over the next few days, weeks, and years. My only request is that you share the video, hit the like button, and let others know what's really happening in this digital revolution if you enjoy talking about Ripple and XRP. Before anything else, I want to draw your attention to the chart, folks. If you haven't looked at it, you should look at the history of XRP and how it formed a consolidation triangle before the 2017 parabolic move that made a lot of people rich. Examine that graph. In regard to the same specific form of consolidated triangle, examine what has transpired or is occurring at the present time. Now, there are plenty of naysayers and financiers who will point out that the XRP price has been stagnant for quite some time. Sure, the SEC has put a lot of pressure on us for the last many years, but any rational person can see through their nonsense. At this point, it shouldn't take much brainpower to figure out that this case is about victory in its entirety, not merely in part. A deadline for the XRP legal showdown is looming on July 13th, according to this article, which means that this is finally going to end. A number of intriguing points have been raised. Coming from an XRP side. Fred Rispoli, an attorney. I've mentioned this before. Looking at it from where we are now, people, we're only 4 days away from the 13th, which is when I mentioned last week that what he's indicating is that we would likely, not just possibly, see a finish to this case. Would XRP's price change as a result? Sure thing. Would it affect the market as a whole? Sure thing. If you haven't had a chance to see the video I posted earlier today, I outlined what happened in it, and you should, since it contains some crucial information. However, the entire market will also be affected by that. However, the legal showdown between Ripple Labs is almost done. Judge Torres needs to speak so we can find out what sort of fine we're looking at when we examine what whales are doing. Everyone is aware of this. Plus, I've already gone on record saying this numerous times. The whales, what are they up to? Listen to this. Regardless if you aspire to be a whale, you must behave accordingly. A recent drop of 20% in price. There has been and will be substantial institutional investment in XRP. XRP investment funds have received a total of $18 million so far this year, with $400,000 arriving only last week. Okay, so XRP investment funds. Stay tuned for Ethereum news as institutional investors pour money into XRP. It has. On the other hand, Ethereum has lost money so far this year, despite receiving $10.2 million every week. Thus, last year's experience with Ethereum was totally counterintuitive. Institutional purchasers, who operate in the background and communicate with key individuals who are aware of current and future events, are essentially whales. The institutions are purchasing the fall in XRP after it broke below the long-term support trendline, foreshadowing probable volatility, while overall cryptocurrency funds witnessed $441 million in inflows, demonstrating this is happening despite market pressures from Mt. Gox and the German government. But past trends suggest a potential recovery, with August as the target price of 60 cents. According to their calculations, we may reach 60 cents if we observe, from a technical perspective, institutional flows. Case closure, which many experts appear to be predicting is about to happen, is something they're ignoring. I'm not claiming that this is the end result. Only wanted to let you know that I'm only relaying industry gossip to you. Will it be completed by the due date? Yes. Can we expect anything more than 60 cents? not monetary guidance. However, it is my firm belief that once the SEC is resolved, the large banks with which we have formed partnerships, as well as other large enterprises, will begin to purchase and store XRP. It's a utility token that banks can use for business-to-business transactions. We've discussed this extensively, people, the inflows will be enormous. As a result, I think the launch of an XRP ETF will happen a lot sooner than expected. In relation to the Ripple IPO, the stars are aligning just so. I know it's easy to say, but it's not so easy to accomplish, but all we have to do is wait. To be honest, gentlemen, I was ecstatic to see that recent decrease because it meant I could buy at rock bottom prices for the last time, but I do not believe these prices will remain for very long. A parabolic move, in my opinion, is imminent. There are a lot of people who have doubted and hated XRP for a long time, yet they still want to attend the concert. You better buckle up, because XRP has already experienced tremendous gains, and I predict much more enormous gains for it in the future. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I'll see you later.